Sorry guys, my recording time ended. So I was saying that this website also does this awesome thing that is when you are at the feed NOTAMs, it will already take out the ones that are already briefed in the aerodromes CTRs. So for instance, Sintra, there's an NOTAM here that it's not showing here because it was already showed in the Sintra's aerodrome NOTAMs. All right, so they just erased it and they just give you the feed information that it's not already present in the aerodrome section. All right, and you have here all the NOTAMs, everything it's here, everything. All right, at the end you want to obviously store this, and you can either send an email to yourself or someone else, I don't know, to store it, or you can also do the download here at the PDF file. All right, and basically this is where we take the NOTAMs. What else can I say? So just to add one more thing, and as I just showed you, so here you have the tools to take the NOTAMs, and I always say go for official sources, all right? Because if something happens, it's better to have your information from official sources. But I am very eager to also use secondary non-official sources to add something to the briefing, and this is one of the cases, all right? Imagine that you find out that there is a NOTAM that these are aerodrome NOTAMs, so let's jump for feed NOTAMs. That this is feed NOTAM. There is a NOTAM here that that it's for my area. It's let's say here, for instance, unmanned aircraft will take place at area 1 Bravo. Okay, from surface to 900 feet above mean sea level, and let's say that I want to fly at 500 feet at someplace near this area. I don't know what my my area of operation it's going to be. I don't know if it encounters this area. So just a tip, what do I usually do? I just go for my VFR chart, and I take the let's say that I'm gonna fly this route. Okay, what I'm gonna take here is, let's go for black pen. I take, what is it? Okay, it's here. I take the maximum latitude that I'm going to operate, the lowest latitude I'm going to operate, the more western longitude, and the more eastern, where is my pen here, eastern longitude. And so here are some coordinates to this latitude. So I take basically this latitude, this latitude, this longitude, and this longitude, and this will give me my area of operation. And now imagine that this this NOTAM is inside my area of operation. What do I do? Am I going to read the coordinates, and am I gonna put it here in my VFR chart? No. What I use, it's a secondary tool. I just go here for NOTAM info. Okay, you can just, I have it here, but if you don't have, just go for NOTAM info Spain map. Okay, do it like this. Hit press enter, NOTAM info Spain map. It's the first one. When you hit it, you'll end up here. The week ahead, no, today, and zoom in, and that area might as well be this area. How do I know that? I'll just, sorry guys, oof, I think I just deleted my NOTAM. Let me check this, home briefing narrow routes. Okay, so no problem, I'll just go for LPPC area. There's no problem. So it's gonna show up here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to read the NOTAM number and just check if the NOTAM is the same. Okay, I just check the number here to see if it's the same, and now what I have here, it's a more geographical presentation for me to assess the scenario. Okay, so instead of having all of this, I'm gonna need to check this because this is the official, these are the official NOTAMs. But when I encounter a NOTAM that it's hitting inside my area of operation, and I don't want to be checking the point by point of latitude, I can just save some time, come here and check which NOTAM is going to affect my operation. Okay, so don't use this as a primary source of information, use this as a secondary, very effective source of information. And well, with this said, I think that's everything for NOTAMs and flight plan. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you find it useful. All right, I'm going to continue to do more videos about pre-flight pre-flight preparation, and in the end I'm going to simulate a briefing, and where I'm going to present all of the information. It's just a briefing example so that you have a starting point or something if you are rookies and you are seeing this this video. But for the intention of this video, which is the SEP course, I am just going to do the briefing so that you can see all the information well structured and presented in in an organized way. So I hope you like this. I enjoyed very much doing this video for you. I hope it's really useful. And well, that's it. I see you either on next video or in the next class, guys. Okay, bye bye.